Sometimes as a furniture flipper, your pieces don't always sell, which was the case with this piece right here. So I decided to give this piece a second makeover, and I started off by giving it a fresh paint finish. The distressed paint job that was on there before just didn't really fit the style of this piece. And then I decided to add some decoupage to the top, first by adding a layer of white paint, and then laying down my decoupage gel, and then adding this beautiful decoupage paper here. After adding another layer of decoupage gel to seal the paper in, I added these resin molds to the corners of all the legs and accented them all with this bronze metallic wax to give it an aged look. Now, to really step this table up to the next level, I decided to add this gold leaf to the outside edge on the top, and this just added a whole new level of glam to my piece, and I'm so glad I decided to add it because this is the final result and it turned out gorgeous. Sometimes your piece might not sell after the first makeover, but that's okay because the furniture flipping industry is ever changing and you continue to learn with each piece. So don't be afraid to give that piece a second makeover. I promise you it'll turn out much better.